Okay. So, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. How is your practice going?
No, my practice is going good. Actually, I want to say that I'm very happy to know that we are meeting second time. Actually, you grow my confidence level. So, I want to talk to you. But finally, I'm here.
Because we are trying. I think many times we have tried for again conversation, but I don't know why it was not, conducting. I don't know. But today, because right now I'm free, so I posted my message. If someone is free, that then they can join me.
Actually, I have told next video that I am a teacher. I am in a school. So right now in school, the exam is going on. So
Yes, yes.
I busy a lot of time in making paper and lot of work in office. So that's why I'm not connected with you.
It's okay. So, can you please introduce yourself just for my viewers? A little bit introduction.
Okay, my name is Devpratap Singh. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed master MA with English, and right now I am pursuing B.Ed. This is my final session, and if I talk about my hobbies, I like singing and reading motivational books.
Okay. Good. I'm Tanya and I'm connecting with you from Jaipur city. I'm a homemaker and
Yeah,
I have joined this platform just for improving my speaking skills. That's all about me.
yeah.
Okay. Can we discuss a simple topic? If you want, then we can discuss.
If you have any topics, tell
I
me.
have a I have a good story. If you want, then I can narrate you. Sorry, then I can narrate it.
Tell me.
Okay. Once upon a time, in a village, there was lived a young man. Okay. One day, he was doing some work in their house, and he was living with his wife and children. One day, a
Yeah.
saint and his disciple came into the village. They want some shelter in their house. So he agreed. After that, he offered some food for the saint and the fellow also. But the saint saw some very good, you can say, field, like very fertile field near his house. Then he asked, "It's your field?" Then he said, "Yes, this all is my field, but I'm not doing any plowing work in my field." After
Yeah.
hearing this, they decided in today night we will take a buffalo from their house. He has a buffalo also.
Yeah.
So so the saint asked, "What are you doing for your living?" Then he replied, "I have a buffalo and I get enough milk for my family surviving." After hearing
Okay.
this, he said to his disciple, "Today we will in today night we will take this buffalo. After that, you will observe what will happen this man." Then in the night they take their buffalo. But hearing this, his disciple was not happy. Why my master is taking this buffalo?
Yeah.
Because it is the source of that man. But after some time, he realized, okay, I think there will be something good. Okay. But after some time, he decided, I will go in village. I will go that village again. Then he
Yeah.
to that village again, and he met that person. I think after 10 years, they met again. So he said to that man, "You remember me?" Then he said, "Yes, I can. How can I forget you? You have given me a very good knowledge also." Then he said, how can I am giving you a good knowledge?" Then he said, "That night my buffalo was missing, and you were asking what is the source of my income. I searching that buffalo here and there. After that, I started when I know that my buffalo is missing. After that, I decided I will cut some trees and I will selling it. Then, after getting some money, I started my harvesting things like my fields. After that, I'm getting very good harvest also. Now I'm becoming very rich. Then he understand why his master said we should uh, take away this buffalo. Now in this story, we can understand when like we are having so many things. Sometimes we are having so many things, but we are not recognizing their utilities. Okay, and in this story, buffalo is the you can say it is a symbol of laziness because he thought I have a buffalo, then why I go to my field, why I do lot of work, but I'm getting enough. But when the buffalo was missing, then he decided no, today I should quit my laziness and I should do work hard. After that, we understand the we should utilize our time because we have so much like you can say we have so much abilities also.
Yeah. So okay, that the disciple didn't know that what my master are doing with the farmer, but he was doing something good with farmer because the farmer was we can say that possibly get milk and survive his family, but he had lot of field. But we can say that in Ramayana you have watched the video, listen about Hanuman. Uh, One time they forget their power. But the other friends told them that you have lot of power. You can fly in air, so you can fly and can reach Sri Lanka for searching Sita, for meet Sita. So then, after telling about the power of Hanuman, then Hanuman know, yeah, we can do this because I have power. So here the master work his power. That yeah, if your perhaps you have no buffalo, then what will you do for their survivals? So
Yes.
they stole their cows, and then the farmer had to struggle, and that they had to work on field. So he decided to cut trees and sold them in market for their survivals. And again he think for fields, and he elding crops in fields, and then he become rich. So
After
yeah, it is.
he recognizing his power.
Yeah,
Yes, but sometimes we are facing this situation in our life also.
yeah. I think everyone face this type of situation. They do not know how to manage your difficulties, how to go forward, how to grow something in your life. So
Yes.
someone told him that you have lot of power in this field, so you can do this.
Sometimes people are like wasting their time also. They can't
Yeah.
understand that time is very precious. So we should utilize it wisely.
Actually, nowadays, a man can live only 60 years.
Hmm.
And if we draw out nights, 12 hours in 60 years, then we get only 30 years. In 30 years, we spend some time with the children, and we spare time in sleeping in day. So I think we have only 20 years. So in these 20 years, we have to do.
Mm-hmm. And by this story, they are conveying a message also. We should skilled in some other things also. Like he was very habitual of the buffalo. Like he was getting the milk, so he was very habitual. Sometimes he was very lazy also. He was not doing any kind of work in their fields.
Yeah.
And similarly, like there are some youngsters, their parents are earning, but they don't want go out from their house just for working. I have seen so many families like father and mothers are becoming old, and their children are, enjoying their life. They are not understanding because this
Yeah.
time, yes, they are enjoying their parents' money also, you can say.
Actually, when the parents earn money, the children enjoy a lot of in life. But when
But But
they
if they stop giving the money to their children, because I think they are capable to earn money, but sometimes they are not utilizing their skills also. They are just,
yeah,
sitting at home, they are watching movie, enjoying their life because they are getting money. But if the parents stop giving them money, youngsters, I'm just talking about youngsters, then what? Then how can they survive in the society? Because they don't know anything, and most of the time they are sitting at their home, they are watching so movies also, they are doing parties also.
actually they know how to spend money. They spend money with friends, but they do not know how to earn money. When someone is not in your home to earn money, then they have to face a lot of difficulties, and then they know, yeah, this is very difficult work to earn money. So
Yes,
it is very bad thing that we should not we should not laziness in your home. We should do different type of work to
yes,
know.
be skilled. We should be skilled in some other skillful things, because this time is a competitive, totally you can say competition is a lot of everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yes.
Actually, lots of YouTuber, they create video and upload on YouTube, but after some time they lost their hope, and they said that my videos are not wiring. So I think they do not they are not giving us a good information through the video, so they are not their videos are not viral.
Not agree with this point, because educational channel most of the time it is not growing so much. Most of the
Yeah,
educational are not doing good, and if you are like making some vlogs, some entertainment like things, most of
for,
the viewers enjoy.
yeah, yeah. Lot of
Yes,
video that are related from Blaze, and the on that video the Blazers are abusing in every sentence. These type of video are viral.
if you are making something xyz, people are enjoying. But if you are making any like good thing, like we are doing conversation, I believe most of the person don't like.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you watch some other channels, then you can identify this. There's a big difference in educational channel and XYZ channels. Like we are spreading some knowledge, we are talking in English, and we are helping each other. But if you are going some other channel, you can say entertainment channel, XYZ channel, they are not doing any good things, but their channel are growing very good.
Actually, about 60 or 70% people they do not watch that type of video because they know that they have everything. They do not want to watch educational video because they know that I have already known this, or they do not want to listen any motivational videos because they also they have known that, yeah, I am motivated, I know everything, I can do anything in your life. So I think they do not pay attention these type of videos.
Most of the person just want only entertainment.
Yeah,
I can say 70% youth, all persons, you can say they just want only entertainment.
they do not want to know what is happening in their life, what is going on in their life.
Yes. Like there are so many good YouTubers also. They are making also very good videos, but their views are, you can say, 10K, 1.1K, 2.1K. That's it. But if you are watching some other channels, they are, every day they are spreading. I don't know what they want to show, but their channel are going very good.
Yeah, absolutely right.
Also, there is this type of entertainment.